What's up, what's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Tyrone, and we are back with another video. So today's video is going to be me showing you guys how I installed the Spire wig that I got from Iseehair company. This video is not sponsored at all. I paid for this wig with my own money, so every opinion that I give is my own true and honest opinion. If you guys are interested, just keep watching and comment down below if you've tried this wig or if you're thinking about trying this wig, and ask any questions that you'd like to ask, and I will see you guys later on in the video.
Used to talk on the phone like every day. Now I barely even send you texts. But you still my baby, and I still say that lately. Cause our lives been crazy, baby. No lie, girl, when I tell you, you my everything. Every time I say that, you think I'm just playing. We both know what the truth is. Trying to fix the problem.
So the wig that I'm going to be reviewing is coming from Iseehair. It came in a package like this. I have not opened it yet because I wanted to open it with you guys. So I'm about to cut it open now. So it comes with like bubble wrap. And other people's boxes all crumpled up, but mine is like perfect. Like, this is so cute. I appreciate good protection on my packages because a lot of people be having like potentially cute packaging, but because it gets damaged, like, you don't be looking all that. So it's a little crushed, but this is what it looks like. And then on the back, this is what it says. Okay, so when you open the box, you get your wig. I got the 3x6 wig, 180% density. Is a 24-inch Malaysian hair wig. And then inside the box, it comes with this stuff, just some wig caps. It comes with the card. Everybody know who Glow Princess is. And then it comes with these 3D mink lashes. So this is what the hair looks like. Inside is like the standard cap on the inside. You get all of this part in space, which is nice. And you get the 3 combs in the front, and then the 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable strap. I'm gonna try the wig on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna bleach the knots. I'm just gonna put foundation on the lace, but it's really long. All right, so I'm gonna be using my Fenty in the shade 450. I'm just gonna pump some on the back of my hand. I'm using this Real Techniques buffing brush. I'm just pat it out on my hand first. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing, but y'all get what I'm doing now. I can't really show y'all on camera. It's giving me a hard time right now. I don't have a wig head at the moment, so I'm gonna just come back when I'm done. So I'm gonna just follow up with some powder. I'm gonna use the Black Radiance setting powder or pressed foundation powder, and then I'm gonna follow up with the Got To Be to seal it all in so that it doesn't bleed off or go anywhere when I'm done. All right, so I'm gonna get my blow dryer ready, and I'm gonna blow dry the scalp so that it dries quicker. So the dryer I'm using is the Affinity Pro by Conair. It's really cheap. I got it for $19.99 at Ross. So if y'all ever looking for like an affordable blow dryer, I know sometimes Dollar General has them, and obviously Ross has them. So I'm gonna use warm. Okay guys, so I apologize in advance, but some of this video is going to be voiceover because when I start to focus, I cannot multitask. But right now, I'm just going to be cutting my ear tabs off. I put mousse to control my hair to keep it from going all over the place. And then I just used a comb to trace out the form of my ear so that I can cut. And this is how it looks once that's done. Then I'm going to work in sections just to make it more, you know, easy to lay the wig so I have less mistakes. So I cut 4 tabs, and now I'm just taking the Got To Be glued. This is the black one, and I'm just rubbing it all around. As you can see, I made a mistake because I just tried to do like 1 ear tab to start and then keep going from there, and it just was lumpy. And then I made another mistake. I got glue that came through the lace because it wasn't fully dry, and I think I didn't like smooth it down enough. So the whole front of my wig, y'all, was crusty. Okay, it was crusty. I struggled with this install. I know better now, but whatever. So now I'm just taking a blow dryer just to get the glue to stick to the lace, and then I'm gonna use a comb to like further smooth down the lace to get it to stick. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna wrap a scarf around my hair so that I can tie the lace down and let it dry for a little bit. I also made a mistake here because I did not let it dry long enough. So yeah. Y'all, this is just sad. Do you see that? That's product buildup, but whatever. Anyways, I'm just going now with the razor to cut my lace. I was scared to cut my lace, and there's a lot of lace I should have cut off, like in the front, and you'll see later, like I had to go and fix it off camera later on in the video. But make sure you guys are actually parting when you would do baby hair. Part it like that, like a front layer of the hair, so that you can cut more of the lace off so it doesn't look bad later. But now I'm just gonna go back and clean up around my edges with a cotton ball and some alcohol, just so like, you know, it's not too much product build up there anymore. And then like I said, I was too scared to cut my lace on my head because I thought I was gonna cut myself. So now I'm just using scissors to get some extra lace off, and then I'm going back with some glue to re-glue the areas that did not lay down fully. And so now I'm just parting the front of my hair to make some baby hairs. This will change later, especially in the front, because I have to cut all that lace off that y'all see. But this is a good tip, like when you're cutting your baby hair or you're about to like relay your wig, because right now I'm just separating it so I can further lay the lace down. So what you do is you part where you want your baby hairs to be so that they lay flat to the front. And I just take them in 2-strand, twist it all the way down so that the hair isn't just all over the place while I'm wrapping my hair up. So yeah, this is me tying the wig down again just to make sure my lace is further laid and dried so that when I lay my baby hairs, I don't have any issues with the lace lifting up. Alright, so this would look like after I took the scarf off again. Now I'm just taking a razor and cutting my baby hairs. The shorter you do them, the more natural they'll look. The longer you do them, the more wiggy they'll look. So I did mine pretty short, but as I went, I had to like alter it kinda. That makes sense, so yeah. Now I'm using some mousse. This is an argan oil one. I can leave it in the description box if you guys want. But I'm just gonna put it all over my baby hairs to make sure they're like soaking up the product so it's easier for me to mold them. So I'm using this edge brush. Excuse the brush, I need to clean it, but yeah, whatever. So be very light-handed with this stuff. I watched Erica J's edge video, so if you guys wanna like copy that method like I did, you can. It helped a lot, and it also helps you not to lift up your lace too much. Stroke it for me, stroke it for me. Okay, so pause. Don't come for me, y'all. I know it looked a mess. Like, look at all this extra lace I had to cut off. Do not make this mistake. But anyway, I'm gonna cut it off camera and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looked. Alright, y'all, so I took a little bit of the lace off from the front because I had too much lace, so I had to redo my baby hair. So right now it's just a long strip of freaking hair right here, and I don't like that, but it's gonna have to do for now. This side looks a little better. I suck. And my makeup just look all jacked up, but whatever. So originally, y'all know I wanted to do a free part, but with the way that my hair is looking right now, I don't think that that's an option. This wig does not feel like 180 density. I'm glad I got 180 density because if it gets any thinner than this, then honey, not for me. All right, my loves, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this next part because it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just me styling the wig. If you've seen other wig videos, you probably already know what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys just watch it, and then my official review on this wig is coming up in a couple minutes, maybe like a minute or two after I get done styling the hair. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Alright, so as y'all can see, I really struggled with this install. This is my first install ever. I don't think I did a terrible job. I could do better. It could be better, but I feel like I look good still. Duh. And I'm actually kind of liking the 25mm lashes. I think I look good. What do y'all think? Comment down below if y'all think I should sell these lashes on my website. Comment down below if you like this wig, if you've tried this wig, if you're gonna be trying this wig. I like it. This is as thick as the hair is though. So if y'all want something thicker, definitely get a big, what am I talking about? If y'all want something thicker, definitely get a thicker density than this. But this is cute. It's like, I was hoping that it was gonna be thicker because everybody else that I saw review this wig did like a 150, and the girls who did a 180, their wig was pretty thick, so I thought mine would be thick too. I guess not, but there's no complaints. I like it. Whatever. So, and the hair is definitely the silkiest straight hair. Now I'm upset that I had to go in without a heat protectant. I was supposed to go to Ulta and get a heat protectant today before I put some heat on it, but I didn't have time. Whatever, still came out good. That's why I really didn't like press it, and it really didn't need to be pressed. It takes the heat really well. I do want to put curls in it eventually, and so if y'all want to see a video on that, let me know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss any more notifications. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
But you want me to prove it, yeah. Want me to prove